I'd like to show you how to install this Marvin Contemporary Handle on a Marvin sliding door. As you can see here, this is a standard Marvin handle and the hole pattern is different. So when you order this Marvin door, you have to specify the specs for a contemporary handle. But I want to show you how to put it on a door anyway, so let's get started. On the active handle set, you'll see it comes with the exterior handle, the interior handle, 2 screws, and this really long screw, which you do not use on the active or passive handle set. That is for an inactive handle. And it comes with this little actuator pin. It kind of looks like a little football tee, which fits in the hole for the handle set. So on the active handle set, you'll see that at the bottom, you're going to have to unscrew the bottom base plate to expose the bottom screw hole. And this is the inactive handle set for a bi-parting sliding door. As you can see, what comes with the interior and exterior handle. The exterior handle has a little drain at the bottom. Comes with the little offsets that need to be installed. So when you install this on the door, it moves the handle away from the astragal so the door is symmetrical when it's closed from the exterior. Once you install this handle set on the inactive panel, you're going to use this really long screw and you're going to put it through the bottom, and you're going to use the supplied Allen wrench to tighten that up so that top handle doesn't move. And then you can install the bottom plate to cover the bottom screw. Now when the door is in the locked position, it should look just like this. It should never look like that or never look like that in the locked position. So I found the easiest way to install this is on this particular model of door. Press in the little safety tab here and then lock the hardware. Just like that. Now, if you got this style of door, you're going to want to make sure this is in the locked position by pushing in this little safety tab, moving this over to lock the door, put this little T-shaped piece in there, and then install the handle in the locked position. Since we got the hardware in the locked position, we want this to look like it's in the locked position. We line this teeth up with that. Then we'll go ahead and install the exterior handle with the little drain at the bottom. Okay, now that we got that one tight, let's go ahead and make sure the bottom one's tight all the way. There you go. That way when the door is in the closed position, it looks just like that. Now remember, if this was a bi-parting door and this was the inactive panel, obviously you would put the handle like this, put this long screw in there so this would never turn again. So you do not use this on an active door. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in there. Now I will warn you, never try to move or lock this when the door's in the open position. If you do, you will bend this little piece, this little actuator pin that's in here, and you'll bend it. And when you go to move the handle, it's not going to be straight when it's in the locked position. So please be very mindful of that. Well, there you have it. That's how you install this Marvin Contemporary Handle on a Marvin sliding door. And if you found this video informative, please consider hitting the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.